The Sauder 419496 storage cabinet combines American craftsmanship with traditional styling, targeting users who want a versatile, space-saving storage solution. This cabinet is designed with a practical approach, featuring multiple shelves behind doors, perfect for storing anything from clothes and books to household essentials. Its engineered wood construction offers durability with a cleaner finish, styled in a warm, neutral color palette that complements most rooms effortlessly. The compact footprint is ideal for apartments, guest rooms, or small bedrooms where space is at a premium. Customers rave about its easy assembly and solid feel once put together. The Sauder cabinet hits a sweet spot between affordability and reliability, often earning above 4 stars in ratings. Pros include its tidy design, good storage capacity for its size, and a smooth door mechanism. Some cons reported include its slightly less premium wood finish compared to solid wood wardrobes, and a need for more internal organization options. But for those looking for an economical and functional storage cabinet that fits snugly into various decor schemes, Sauder's 419496 model is a great pick. As always, check the description box below for buy links and the latest prices.